Ka-chow.
Okay, we are going to start by breaking these loose. Okay, then we're going to break our 12s loose. We'll take those all the way out.
Remove the caliper and set it in a safe place. If you have a bungee cord, you can secure it to the strut coil. If you are not replacing the rotors, be very gentle when using a screwdriver or other pry tool taking out the pads and hardware so you don't scratch the rotor.
Now, if you don't have an impact, you can just use a breaker bar and a 17mm socket. I already sprayed this with brake clean, and we need to line up these recessed holes with these 2 screws. Okay. I'll put a little bit of Loctite back on those. 2 little holder screws. I'm gonna use this caliper tool, but you can also use a C-clamp to take the pad so that it goes in evenly. If you have this tool, this is a 19. Then we're just gonna watch the boot slowly compress. We'll just go until it sort of bottoms out. You can feel and hear it. Get the rest of these cobwebs out of here. Okay, I like to put a little bit of Loctite on these caliper bracket bolts because I have seen them back themselves out before. Take all the hardware off of this real quick. Okay, and then I'm going to torque these to 80 foot-pounds. Again, these are 17s. Clean and lube our caliper side pin bolts. I'm just gonna unsheath this, get that all nice and clean. Put some new caliper grease on there. Nice, thin, sort of even layer. And then resheath it. Make sure that dust boot actually settles and test it. Now the bottom ones look a little different. They have this little rubber piece in there. Okay, so this set of hardware came with 2 different types of these little guys, but you need the one that has both the inside and the outside clip. And these can only fit on one way because this U shape has to go into there. Then I like to put a little bit of caliper grease on the edges, and I also like to put the squeaker on the back side. Okay, so caliper grease. Then line your pad into that U shape there, into the U shape here, and it should push right in, just like that. Then we are going to put in our springs. Kind of got to hold these together while you do this. And the caliper slide pin bolts get torqued to 26 foot-pounds. You want to make sure that you did not twist this soft brake hose.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. I offer automotive education and consulting, so if you need help completing this job, my contact information is in the description below.